Omegle is a great way to video chat with strangers and make some new friends. But did you know that you can also use it on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to use Omegle Video Chat on your Android device. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to chat with random strangers from all over the world just by using your Android phone. So, while there is no Omegle app at the moment, you can use the Omegle browser version. So to do that, open up any web browser that you like and then simply go to omegle.com. Once you are on the Omegle website, you will see there is a blue button that says Video. So if you want to video chat with random strangers on the web, simply tap on it and then it will show you two checkboxes. The first one is the Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, and Community Guidelines. So read those things and after that, check that box, and the second one is that you must be over 18 to use Omegle. So if you are over the age of 18, check that box as well. And then tap on Confirm and continue to start the video chat. I'm not going to start one right now because I'm recording this video. And another thing is that you can tap on over here and add your interest. For example, I can type in football, and based on what you put here, you can talk to people that have the same interests as you. When you are talking to strangers, please be nice to them, don't disrespect them, and always keep your personal information private and don't overshare. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.